everyone, so I know it's been a while since I filmed a video, but there's just been a lot of things going on, and I want to apologize ahead of time if I sound funny because I have Invisalign on, so it kind of gives me a lisp. But anyways, as you can tell, I'm in a new setting and a new location, so I finally got done putting my room together, and it's not exactly how I wanted, but it's good enough for now, and I will probably film a room tour and all that stuff later on. So today I filmed a get ready with me video. The look that I created is just a smoky eye with a pop of green on the lid. And as for the hair, it's just super easy, super effortless. This is currently my go-to hairstyle. I recently got a new cut and color, and it's so much easier to maintain. This hairstyle is just really convenient for me, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So the color that I used to achieve this look is the NuMe Titan 3. And I love how vibrant the purple is. If you didn't know, purple is my favorite color. And for this hairstyle, I used the big barrel, but this comes with two other barrels. It comes with the large, the medium, and the small. I'm not sure the exact measurements, but I'll put all the information down below. What I really like about this has the buttons, and I really love that. And I feel like this holds my curl a lot better, makes my hair feel a lot softer. And the blow dryer that I used is the Iconic blow dryer, and again, I love how vibrant the purple is. I really love the settings on this as well. It has 3 different heat settings. So if you're interested in purchasing the Titan 3, I do have a really awesome coupon code for you guys that makes it only $99. But if you don't want that set and you're interested in a different set, I do also have a code that makes anything on the site 60% off. I'll put the links and the coupon codes down below. So that is it, and let's go ahead and get started with the video.